तमिलनाडु से देंगे, कर्नाटक से देंगे, तो सभी लोग इस गाने में साथ देंगे। गाना है मराठी। जो हमारी जमीन लूटी जा रही है, किसानों की जमीन लूटी जा रही है, उस पर ये गाना है और सभी लोग साथ देंगे। अरे धावा 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 रे जमीन लूटिया धावा रे, धावा 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 रे जमीन लूटिया धावा रे, धावा 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 रे जमीन लूटिया धावा रे, धावा धावा धावा।
This Action 2007 is an action by a number of people's organizations and movements across our country, that is India. There are people who are asserting right to life and livelihood because the whole development paradigm is going against the majority of the people. Those who are living on the natural resources and the human power basically are not just being questioned or humiliated, but are also being deprived of their sources of livelihood. Because that very natural resource base is becoming a kind of commodity base for the consumerist development of the minority population, whether they are the industrialized, urbanized, rich elite sections, the corporates and others. And the globalization and liberalization in favor of the corporates has certainly unleashed terror against the farmers, laborers and those who have these resources in their hands since generations. So we are basically fighting this battle for an alternative economic and political perspective against the present kind of development paradigm which is being imposed on the people undemocratically. The farmers in India have only one of the two choices: either commit suicide or get killed. Committing suicides is the last resort which the individual farmers are resorting to. And that happens because in spite of having the rich natural resource matrix in their hands and ready to put in their sweat and blood to grow food and to feed the country's population, they do not get the adequate value for their labor or for their produce. And with the rest of the world not engaged in the barter economy anymore, but being marketized and corporatized much more, and increasingly they lose their space in the market on one hand, and they lose their capacity to even fulfill their own basic needs. And so neither do they have food to feed their children directly without going through market, nor do they have money in their hands which can help them to feed themselves, clothe themselves, to educate themselves. And hence it is necessary that we follow the more sustainable agriculture so that the resources are not degraded and denuded. And we do not make the farmers, and the farmers do not make themselves dependent on the market alone. And they have the cropping pattern so as to fulfill their basic needs directly with the nearest possible environmental unit as far as possible, so that if there is no self-sufficiency, there is at least self-reliance. Only that can save them from committing suicide on one hand and also getting killed in the name of industrialization as it is happening today. We cannot just talk about them and film their lifestyles and say that, oh, they are poor and they are to be taken into the mainstream and they must change and they must adopt and they must compromise and compete in the market economy. Because the kind of economy that is being pushed along with kind of polity is neither inclusive nor is sustainable intergenerationally. And we may land up destroying all our resources and also the living communities. And where would the others go? Not only the indigenous communities, but also the others who are still living on the natural resources directly or indirectly, because no one eats dollar notes as yet.